Great weather over the weekend, too. It was nice. We had lots of sunshine, high humidity. You noticed that, too. We are going to see that stick around, too. Let's go to the maps and show you what's happening as far as that goes. We are looking at the tower cam showing beautiful skies out there right now, and it looks like it is going to be a nice sunset tonight. Not expecting any rainfall around here, in fact, for the next several hours. But after midnight, there's a chance we could see one or two showers popping up in the Gulf of Mexico, and they're working their way onshore. You see a boater out there enjoying seas less than 2 feet, and that's the way it should be again tomorrow. Here's a look now at the Anna Maria webcam showing nice weather out there as well. Some drier air. This is the beginning line of a weak frontal system. Now this will move on in. It's not going to dry us out. We're still going to see high humidity. This is the upper levels of the atmosphere. This is about 30 to 40,000 feet. And so that'll be around. So that's going to limit any kind of widespread rain, but still it's a trough of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico, and that'll create just enough instability to allow us to see a few scattered showers developing as the front sags southward. Right now it's blowing up some pretty big storms to the north of us now, and high pressure has been bumped down to the south of us, and that's providing us with that westerly wind, which always brings the humidity way up there. It felt like 99 today at 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock this afternoon. It was humid out there, a little taste of summer, if you will, and it looks like that'll persist again on Tuesday. Well, some showers, as I mentioned, thunderstorms, pretty big ones blowing up earlier today along that frontal boundary and pushing off to the east. There's some activity down to our south too, but we're kind of in between. Nothing going on here, but boy, Fort Pierce, some rough weather making its way through the east there, and some severe thunderstorms earlier. This one prompted the National Weather Service to issue a severe thunderstorm warning. And then you can see this still kind of active heading off toward the interstate. So a few scattered showers around, not a lot, and don't expect a lot on Tuesday. Our winds will stay out of the west Tuesday morning. That means our overnight lows tonight will be near record breaking like we saw this morning. Our low this morning was 80 degrees, and it looks like that'll be pretty much what we'll see again tomorrow morning to start the day off. Winds will stay out of the west throughout the day, so any storms that do develop in the afternoon will have a tendency to move toward the east coast like we're seeing today. I mentioned a few morning showers are possible up until about 1 or 2 o'clock along the coast, but those will be few and far between. Wednesday, things stay pretty much the same, although we are going to see a slight change come Friday, and that will increase our rain chances, and they'll bump up pretty high both on Saturday and Sunday. 84 right now. You factor in that dew point, it feels like 93, and the humidity at 76%. We have that west wind at 12. The high today was right at average, but this is what the number is. This is a record low minimum, it's called, 80 degrees. That's the warmest it's been to start this day off ever here along the sun coast. And we're starting off the month of June pretty dry, just 58 hundredths of an inch below average. The 8 p.m., 6 p.m., 5 p.m., or a.m., I should say, showers around in the morning, and then we'll see most of the activity blow up in the afternoon heading off toward the east coast. Here comes another little weak system. Again, this is a Wednesday morning, a few showers moving onshore, but then the bulk of the precipitation will be in the inland areas pushing off toward the east coast. I think we'll have better chances for showers and storms coming around on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The forecast for tomorrow looks good. We'll take you very warm to start the day off. We'll warm up into the mid to upper 80s. Near the beach is a little bit cooler, and then we'll cool down just a little bit overnight. We're expecting low temperatures again on Wednesday to be upper 70s to low 80s. Nationally, there's not a whole lot going on. There were some big storms yesterday firing up across Texas, and there's no real significant weather problems as far as that goes. Temperatures cool over the northeast and throughout the Great Lakes. Last week at this time, they were in the 80s and 90s and cooling down into the 60s and 70s there today. It's hot out west, though, 95 into Salt Lake City, 106 in Phoenix, 82 in Dallas. Well, for boaters, tomorrow looks good. West winds at 10 knots. Now, seas will calm down to 1 to 2 feet throughout most of the day. A light chop on the bays and inland waters. The extended forecast looks to be pretty nice tomorrow. We'll see a high humidity. We'll feel much more humid out there, both on Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday. Rain chances anywhere from 30 to 40%. Then we'll see a better chance for some more widespread coastal shower activity on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I don't think we'll see a washout, but there will be a much better chance for rain for our area than we saw this past weekend. Jacqueline?
All right, thank you, Bob.